1, the first prize goes to Sai Suman Naik from 1B. Second prize Divya Disha Pareda from 1A. And the third prize goes to Aradhya Raut from class 1B. First prize goes to Vishwarupam Pradhan from 2nd B. Second prize goes to, and the third prize goes to Ishrat Khatun from 2nd B and Gaurav Kumar Meena from 2nd A. From class 4, the first prize goes to Harshit Hansraj Sahu from 4th B. Second prize goes to Prerna Singh from 4th A. And third prize goes to two of them, Paridhi Priyadasini from 4th B and Tanay Tanisha from 4th A. From class 5th, the first prize goes to Abdi Kumari from class 5th A. Second prize goes to Saidarsini Tripathi from 5th B and the third prize goes to Shivant Sahu from 5th B. From class 6, the first prize goes to Bhumi Singh from class 6th B. Second prize goes to Ansuman Pani from class 6th B and the third prize goes to Ishika Kumari from class 6th A. From class 7, the first prize goes to Sanvi Prusti, second prize goes to Archita Bishwal and the third prize goes to MD Tawfiq Alam. From class 8, the first prize goes to Anvesha Majumdar, second prize goes to Ankita and third prize goes to Roshan Kumar Sahu. From class 9, the first prize goes to Anushika Raut, second prize goes to Ananya Priyadasini and the third prize goes to Surbhi Kumari. And the last from class 10, the first prize goes to Sudipta Ghosh, second prize goes to Aslesha Ratha and the third prize goes to Aisha Kiran. So congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much everyone.
Is right.
So my dear students, today we need to develop that spirit, competitive spirit. We have everything. We have well set up family. Financially, we all are fine. Our parents are providing everything for us. We have all the facilities in the school, at home, whatever we want, whatever we deserve, our parents are providing for us. They are training for us. They are doing hard work for us. Today we need to realize that what we have today within me, that one I have to bring up. Like we had fancy dress competition. Some of you became animal. Some of you became actors. Some of you became astronaut. Some of you became doctor. Some of you became engineers and other collectors. All this shows your talents, your creativity. So, my dear students, let us not only celebrate, but let us personally think ourselves that today we have everything. We have knowledge, wisdom, everything we have. Let us make use of that. And today we require you. And our teachers, they are today very especially our gents teachers, they dance well and they made this atmosphere very happy for all of us, that we all of us are enjoying. My dear students, once again I wish you all the best. Let us follow his life. He has set goal for us. He has given lot of inspiration through his activities, through his studies. Because of his high intellectual power and he studied well, he was excellent in studies. Therefore, he went to England for his higher studies.
Oh, फर्स्ट क्लास कर जानी मोर नखरावानी रूप की रानी मन मोहिनी करू दीवाना दुल के दरो समर बोला कलिलो सुंदरी रूपराई सरबरी तब देखी ना मरी जाए सीमा सुहानी ने गुरे पर के रानी मन के तो रानी आज भी तेरे जमाना का के बोलने दुल के दरो सफर पूरा करिलो 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 जिंदगी सफर है सुहाना, तुझको रोक करेंगे ना सुना कीजिए, बेचैना मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। हर जन्म में रंग बदल के बाबों के पर्दों पे हम मिल गए, हम है राही प्यार के, दिल में लेके चले चले, हम है राही प्यार के, दिल में चलते चलते। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी। दिल भर है दिल खुश है दिल भर नजारे हैं, आज सभी पर कितने सितारे हैं, अगलो बख्श कोई दानम हमने दिल में कर जाना। दीवानगी 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 है, ना कोई नजर ये दिल सामने किस तरह। दीवानगी 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 है। Oh, girls, put your hands up and say, oh, Shadi, all cool boys, come on, make some noise and say, oh, Shadi.
Principal, all the sisters, and my dear teachers, and my beloved students. I wish you Happy Children's Day to all of you. Happy Children's Day. Say thank you. So Happy Children's Day to all of you. Yes, my dear children, my dear beloved students, today we are celebrating your day, and we are remembering the birthday of our Jawaharlal Nehru.
To show you that they love you and to express their love towards you. That is what they sacrifice their time and extra time they remain in the school. They took along with your checking the copies, teaching you. They practice and perform well. I thank you teachers for taking and performing well. Give them a good applause, your teachers. And the students too. There are some groups perform. With the help of the teachers, they perform well. And this also the coordination with the greenhouse. So I appreciate the greenhouse. Also they decorated the stage along with the decoration group. They decorated the hall also. All these are expression of love towards you. So give them a good applause to the greenhouse.